Next is draw the Lewis dot structure of the following and write formal charge on each atom. Now in this lecture we will discuss about the structure, and we will learn how to write the formal charge by some conventional method or by directly shortcut method. Say, suppose the first structure is NO3 negative, second structure is SO4 2 negative sulfate ion, and third structure is CO carbon monoxide. What to do is first we will find A and SU, the values. A is available electrons and N is a needed electrons, S is shared electrons, and U is unshared electron. So last lecture में सीखा था. So there are 5 valence electron of nitrogen, 6 valence electron of oxygen into 3 plus 1. It becomes 24. Needed means how many electrons, like nitrogen and oxygen both required 8 electrons. So there are total 4 atoms. So we require about 32 electrons. 3 oxygen and 1 nitrogen. Every atom required 8 electrons. Okay. So how many electrons we have to share? 32 minus 24. So this will be your 8. Unshared 24 minus 8, 16. So here we have a nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Draw the 8 shared electron now. We have 2. Okay, put 4 here, okay. 8. And mark the unshared. Oxygen के पास 2 है तो mark it, give it 6 more. इसके पास भी 2 है, give it 6 more. इसके पास नाइट्रोजन के पास 8 है, give 4 to oxygen. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16 total. These are unshared. So the structure is become O double bond N single bond O single bond O. 6 pair, 6 pair, 4 pair, and overall it has a negative charge. Similarly for this sulfate ion, so first write ANSU. Sulfur and oxygen both have 6 electrons. 6 plus 4 plus 2, 20. Sorry, it's 5. There are total 5 atoms. It becomes 32. Sulfur has also 6 valence electron. Oxygen has also 6 valence electrons. So 6 into 5 कर दिया मैंने directly. 5 है तो 8 into 5 40 चाहिए. 40 minus 32, 8 unshared हो गए. 32 minus 8, 24 जो है वो unshared हो गए. तो सल्फेट put the shared 8, so 2 आ जाएंगे हर साइड पे. Now unshared, each oxygen has to give 6 to each oxygen, like 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now in this structure you can see that every atom has a 8 electron, means complete its octet. So you can write it like this: S single bond O single bond O single bond O single bond O. With 6, 3 pair each. Negative. Third is for CO. Again we have to write ANSU. कार्बन के पास हैं 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ऑक्सीजन के पास हैं 6, तो टोटल 10. बॉन्ड बनाने के लिए दोनों को तो 8 ही चाहिए भाई, तो 16. तो 16 माइनस 10 6 हो जाएंगे और 10 माइनस 6 4 हो जाएंगे. तो C एंड O. अब 6 है तो 6 इसके बीच में लगाने पड़ेंगे, तो इट फॉर्म अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. 2 इसको दे दें, 2 इसको दे दें, तो ये बन जाता है C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड O with 2 with 2. This is the structure. Now this is about the Lewis dot structure. Now how to write the formal charge? Formal charge, conventional method to find the formal charge is, like in this case, I am explaining for nitrate first. First I will explain the conventional method, then I will tell you the trick to write directly formal charge. Okay. For this, say this is your oxygen number 1, this is your oxygen number 2, this is your oxygen number 3. So formal charge on oxygen number 1. What is the formula of formal charge? Right here is valence electron minus half of shared plus unshared. For example, oxygen 1. ऑक्सीजन में वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं? 6 माइनस हाफ ऑफ शेयर. शेयर कितने किए इसने? 4 प्लस अनशेयर इसके पास कितने हैं? वो भी 4. तो ये हो गया हमारा 2. 6 माइनस 6 0. Formal charge on oxygen 1 is 0. Now formal charge on oxygen number 2. Again this is 2. So 6 valence minus half. How many shared now? Only 2. These are the shared. And plus how many unshared? 2 4 6. So 2 2 1 हो गया, तो ये आ गया हमारा -1. Again, formal charge on oxygen number 3. 6 minus half into 2 same ही है ये, तो -1. Formal charge on nitrogen. नाइट्रोजन में वैलेंस कितने हैं? 5 माइनस हाफ इंटू शेड कितने किए नाइट्रोजन ने? 2 इधर 2 इधर 4 इधर 8 प्लस अनशेड है 0, तो ये कट गया, ये आ गया हमारा +1. तो ओवरऑल चार्ज है -1. आप देखेंगे कि इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर ये जो 1 था फर्स्ट, वो था 0, तो इसके ऊपर चार्ज 0, इसके ऊपर चार्ज -1, इसके ऊपर चार्ज -1, नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर चार्ज +1, तो ओवरऑल चार्ज क्या बचता है? -1. +1 -1 कैंसिल हो गई. तो दिस इज अ वेरी कन्वेंशनल मेथड टू फाइंड द formal charge. Okay, now suppose we want to do in this case, what is the formal charge on carbon? Valence electron half into shared plus unshared, तो क्या आ जाएगा? 3, तो ये आ गया +1. ओके, ओके. ऑक्सीजन सॉरी नॉट 6, सॉरी 4 आएगा. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ कार्बन इज 4, तो -1. 6 माइनस हाफ ऑफ शेयर प्लस अनशेयर सॉरी 2, तो ये आ जाएगा हमारा +1. तो मीन्स कार्बन के ऊपर -1 चार्ज, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर +1 चार्ज, नेट चार्ज 0. इसलिए यू कैन कैलकुलेट. व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट मेथड टू फाइंड द formal charge? That is, this is the structure of nitrate ion. Okay, ये थी स्ट्रक्चर नाइट्रेट आयन की. अब डायरेक्टली कैसे पता चलेगा? if number of bonds of an atom is equal to valency, then formal charge will be 0. If number of bonds more than valency, then formal charge is positive. अगर 1 एक ज्यादा है तो +1, 2 ज्यादा है तो +2, like that. If number of bonds less than valency, then formal charge will be minus. अगर एक कम है तो -1, 2 कम है तो -2. Now see directly, what is the valency of oxygen is 2. कितने बॉन्ड बन रहे हैं? 1. तो नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड लेस देन वैलेंसी कितना कम है? वैलेंसी है 2, बॉन्ड है 1. इसका मतलब इसके ऊपर चार्ज कौन सा आ जाएगा? -1. सेम इसका हो जाएगा. ऑक्सीजन वैलेंसी इज 2, बॉन्ड 2. Bonds and valency same, then formal charge is 0. Nitrogen, what is the valency of nitrogen? 3. How many bonds nitrogen form? 4. So number of bonds more than valency, कितने ज्यादा है? Bonds बने 4, valency है 3, तो 1, तो इसका charge आ गया 1. देखिए direct, very easy. You must know the valency. Here you can see. What is the valency of carbon is 4. How many bonds it's forming? 3. This means -1. ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी 2, बॉन्ड कितने बना रहा है? 3, एक ज्यादा है तो +1. डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन राइट व्हाट इज द वैलेंसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? 2, बॉन्ड 1 1 है तो -1, ये भी -1, ये भी -1, ये भी -1. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मल चार्ज ऑन सल्फर? व्हाट इज द वैलेंसी ऑफ सल्फर? C2, बॉन्ड कितने बना रहा है? 4. तो नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स मोर देन वैलेंसी, वैलेंसी कितनी है? 2, बॉन्ड कितने हैं? 4, 2 ज्यादा है तो चार्ज क्या आ गया इसके ऊपर? +2. So this is the way how to write the formal charge directly from the valency of an atom. Clear? You can write directly formal charge, or you can use the conventional method, that is number of valence electron minus half of shared plus unshared. That is the conventional method to find the formal charge on any atom in the molecule. Okay. Next, a little bit here, we will discuss about the coordinate bond, the third type of bond. So, that's also called coordinate covalent bond, because bonding is of two types, either covalent or ionic. Covalent is by sharing and ionic is by transfer. Now covalent bond is by mutual sharing, and there is a sharing of electron, but electrons are provided by one atom. Like suppose we have a water. It comes close to H positive. H positive has no electron. So what the water will do? It donates its pair of electron. It donates its, not transfer of electron, it's just sharing its pair of electron between the O and H to form a new covalent bond. So the product formed is like, तो ये इसने शेयर कर लिया है ना, we can write it with the arrow because इसने donate किया तो. Coordinate bond is represented by arrow, which give representation that two electrons are. Now this bond is formed by two electrons. This bond is also formed by two electrons, but these two bonds are covalent. One electron is given by hydrogen, one is given by oxygen. This is also, one is given by oxygen, one is given by hydrogen. These are the mutual sharing. These are covalent bond. But now here are the two electrons. But these two electrons are given by the oxygen. So this type of sharing is in coordinate bond. Now see here, why the positive charge is there on oxygen? Because this is a formal charge. Because oxygen की वैलेंसी है 2, तो ऑक्सीजन ने बॉन्ड कितने बना लिए 3, तो एक बॉन्ड बढ़ गया तो चार्ज पॉजिटिव. दिस इज कोवैलेंसी चार्ज. यू कैन से पॉजिटिव चार्ज का ये मतलब नहीं है कि ऑक्सीजन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट. नो, इट्स ऑक्टेट इज कंप्लीट. यू कैन सी हियर ऑक्सीजन के पास 2, 4, 6, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन पूरे हैं. पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज जस्ट अ कोवैलेंसी चार्ज. लाइक सेकंड एग्जांपल इज ammonia. There is also one lone pair, 3 bond pair. When hydrogen come close, so it donates, share its one pair to form coordinate bond. Because nitrogen donate one pair, it gets positive charge. So now there are 4 bonds. Just make it clear. This is a covalent. This is a covalent, this is a covalent, this is a coordinate. You can see that this bond is a covalent. One electron is given by nitrogen, other is given by hydrogen. One electron is given by hydrogen, other is given by nitrogen. But here, this pair of electrons, both electrons are given by nitrogen. So this type of bond is called coordinate. Now nitrogen के ऊपर positive charge क्यों है? Because valency of nitrogen is 3 and it is forming 4 bonds. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि it is electron deficient. No, nitrogen has a complete octet. You can see it has 8 electrons. Other examples like we have ammonia and BF3. Ammonia has 8 nitrogen. No atom is electron deficient here, but in this structure you can see that there are 6 electrons around the boron. So this boron has 6 electrons. It is electron deficient. It can accept pair of electrons. After forming the bond, nitrogen has one lone pair of electrons which relate to this. So this is electron-rich species. It can donate a pair of electrons. This is electron-deficient species. Can accept pair of electron. So such species which can donate a pair of electron are called Lewis base, and the species which can accept a pair of electron called Lewis acid. So this Lewis acid, Lewis base we will also study in the chapter equilibrium. Okay. So the bond formed is nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. There is a coordinate bond to form a complex. Now this nitrogen gets positive charge because it donates electron. Okay. So this type of bonding is called coordinate bond. नो इसमें से क्वेश्चन जो आता है अक्सर यही मेन में आपको 3 मॉलिक्यूल 4 मॉलिक्यूल दे दिए, पूछेगा किसमें आयनिक बॉन्ड भी है, कोवलेंट भी है, कोऑर्डिनेट भी है. इसमें एक एग्जांपल आपने ध्यान में रखना है. अमोनियम क्लोराइड, अमोनियम ब्रोमाइड ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल है जिसमें तीनों टाइप के बॉन्ड्स हैं, आयनिक, कोवलेंट एंड कोऑर्डिनेट. देखोगे कैसे. अमोनियम क्लोराइड जो है इसके अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करें तो अमोनियम आयन कैसे बनेगा. अमोनिया शुरू में बनाया था अमोनियम आयन, नाइट्रोजन में ऐड कर दिया H पॉजिटिव. दिस इज अमोनियम आयन, कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस. अमोनियम Now this ammonium ion has two types of bonds. You can see this bond is covalent, this bond is covalent, this bond is covalent, but this bond is coordinate. Okay. So covalent, coordinate. Now this chloride ion is a negative charge. So when a chloride ion is a negative charge, it means these two ions, they attract each other. So the bond between ammonium ion and chloride ion is ionic. So this bond is ionic. That's why ammonium chloride has all the three types of bonds: covalent, coordinate, as well as ionic. Okay. So this is about the coordinate bond. Next topic of this chapter is we will do the Sepper model.